That's their name. And in a while, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing like, I'm gonna pick out some persons who are gonna speak out for the couple. I'll be getting from principal sponsors, friends of the couple, and family members, you know, for the message thing in a few minutes. Oh, this guy deserves another round of applause, everybody.
My life is brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man. I sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
That's old. Let me see the 2-0.
Yes.
stay on that part. We will be having like messages from the following persons. First, we will have a message for the couple is Miss Erdita Babayag. Can we give her a round of applause? It's a background music, please.
Okay, once again, good afternoon to all of you. Now, when I was whispered by Teresa this morning sa simbahan, Miss, ikaw gid ang message sa amon. And, you know, Teresa was my student in the high school. And she was my student leader. And I said, is this the girl whom I have entrusted all the activities before? You know, si Teresa, she's a very active student leader. And we have been very close with one another. So, I used to ask her every time I went to the parlor, Teresa, may ligo ka na? And then she used to answer me, Miss, wala kay masunod din ako sa imo. And I was happy about it, Ray. I thought nasundon mo din ako. But, okay lang. Because God has provided you with a person, si Raymond, na I think Raymond was meant for you, Teresa. So, my only wish for you, Teresa and Raymond, may you have a very happy marriage life. May you can have a children. Hindi lang pwede nang gani kung mag-anong kung tito kabilog inyo bataon. As long as you can have a very good discipline to your children. So at this moment of time, Teresa and Raymond, God has given you a chance to see each other and be one. As what Father said, hindi na kamo duha, isa na kamo. So what I am wishing for you, you may have a beautiful marriage life. You may have a good children that are God-fearing children. And I hope you will enjoy your marriage life. So that is in behalf of my co-God parents. We are giving you a very good wishes that everything in your marriage life will be all success and have a very